Hi, it's Akua, your favorite realtor with Century 21 and Vision. And today I have the pleasure of having Marcus Eligan with Mortgage Experts join me. And I just wanted to get some understanding from Marcus on working through renovation loans. I have quite a few of my clients that go out and we look at homes and we find some fixer-uppers or things that may need a little, extra touch here or there. Marcus, can you help us understand how a renovation loan works and what that process would be like?
Awesome, awesome. Thanks for having me, Akua. So, renovation loans, I love renovation loans. It gives you the ability to purchase a home at a cheaper or lower cost price than your neighbors would pay for a fully renovated home, and it allows you to fix up your home the way you want it. So, for instance, we're allowed to, like, let's say you find a home, but you don't like the kitchen. We can change it. Let's say you find a home and you don't like the bathroom or the master bathroom or the guest bathroom. We can change it. Let's say you find a home and it has carpet and you want hardwood floors. We can change it. So how it works is we'll give you the money to repair and fix the home up the way you want it. And it's all in one loan. So you pay one mortgage payment for your new home. And most of my clients that use a renovation loan get their home or get in the home a lot cheaper than if they were to buy a fully renovated home already, I should say. So it's a great opportunity to be able to buy a foreclosure or REO or even a regular home that's just a little outdated. And we can actually give you the money all in one loan to fix up your home the way you like it.
Okay, and another question I have is there a time that they have to wait to get into the home? Do the repairs have to be done prior to them taking ownership, or can they have those repairs done while they're actually in the home?
Great
Um,
question. Great question, Akua. So, yes, the work starts after we go to closing. So typically, I tell my clients it's going to take at least, well, depending on the how much work we're doing, it's going to take at least 30 to 60 days for the contractor to finish the work. We'll give you up to 6 months, depending on the time of work or how much work needs to be done. But typically, you will start the work after you actually go to closing, because after closing is when the contractor will actually receive money to start the work. And that's when they'll start, doing whatever you ask them to do as far as kitchen, tile, bathrooms, and so forth to complete the work. And in some cases, we're actually able to escrow some of your mortgage payments. So that way you're not paying a mortgage and a rent at the same time. And that allows you to have a little bit more freedom and not stressing over, hey, I have to pay my mortgage as well as the rent where I'm staying. So that allows you to just, give you more time to be able to get your home fixed correctly.
Okay, so I like the flexibility there, and I think it also will help some of my home buyers get a deal and, like you said, get the renovations that they actually like and want. So, if anyone wants to get in touch with you about a loan or mortgage, how would they reach you?
Great question. Great. So you can actually reach us at 301-341-2200, or you can apply online at approvememarcus.com.
And if you're in the market to purchase a home and need to be guided, give me a call 301-440-0641, or you can always DM me here. Thank you again and have a great day.
Have a great day, everyone.